So today I have a 4-pack of scissor jacks from Kohree for the RVs. I have been needing to replace them for a little while. I'm going to be replacing 2 on my mother's. They get all bent up while they was being moved while they were down. So they're a little bit out of shape. And then I'm going to put 2 of these on the other RV that doesn't have any in the front. Now these ones are rated for 7,500 pounds and they're 24 inches. So these are the big ones. And it's way overkill for this, but I thought about using a couple of these for my cargo trailer too. This also does come with a manual crank, and you do get an adapter for a drill. I also hooked up to the truck for a little extra support and stability. First, we just need to remove these old ones. Alright, so we got the old one off and we got the new one in. Definitely looks a heck of a lot nicer and working a lot better. This one's getting old and bent up. I'm going to show you the other one, a whole lot worse. This is the one that really needs replaced. It is really bad. Also, that rod in there is bent, so you'll see that here in a second. She's gonna be so glad for this one to be replaced. Now that we have our new one on, this works great. That is so much better, and it was pretty easy to do. If you're looking for a good set of scissor jacks, these are from Kohree, rated for 7,500 pounds. They do have some smaller ones for smaller trailers and stuff. This one was actually overkill for this trailer, but I figured I would just go with some big ones. Plus, I'm going to use a couple of these on my cargo trailer as well, which is a much heavier one. That will be my quick demo. I'll put a link down below if you are interested in getting you some. Thank you for watching.